So Sai, tell me, what's the story behind this Golf GTI?
This is a pretty funny story actually. So a customer was driving on the freeway and as they described, it was smelling like a candy factory inside the car. And after a few minutes, a warning light came on and the car just stopped. So they were lucky enough, there was a side lane, so they just pulled on the side lane and stopped the car there. Customer rang us, we organized a tow truck for the customer, got the car towed to the workshop, and here we are. From there, we will scan the car, confirm customer complaint, and put the cooling system under pressure and check for any possible leaks. So after carrying out a diagnostic on the vehicle, we found out that there's a massive coolant leak coming from the water pump area, and also there is a massive oil leak from the timing cover and the turbo. So guys, same as you get your car service, you have an oil service on your vehicle, it is very important to maintain and service your cooling system as well. Especially if you drive a Volkswagen, an Audi, a Cupra, they're very well known for water pump leak. So if you guys do require any further diagnostic, you have any concern with your vehicle, please feel free to contact myself, Sai from ASL High Performance AutoWorks in Tullamarine on 039650 2890 or 0428 28 2890. Thank you.